Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can type different types of page numbers in Microsoft Word. I have this Word document, and in order to type Roman numerals, or you can say ABCD, that kind of page numbering, how you can do that? Firstly, you just need to hit double click at the top to enable header and footer. Once you do that, here you have the option as page numbers. Expand that and choose the location where you wanna add page numbers. That could be at the bottom of the page or at the top of the page. In my case, I wanna add at the bottom of the page. I'll select bottom of page, and just here you need to choose where you wanna put page number, like is it on the right side or left side or at the center. Choose that. I'm gonna proceed with right side. Then you can see that the page number has successfully inserted. In order to change this, you just need to head over to this option again, page number. Then here you have the option format page numbers. You can just choose any page numbering you want, like it could be -1, -2. Also you can choose ABC in capital letters, Roman numerals. You have more languages, so whatever you wanna add, you can go ahead with that. In my case, I wanna add page numbering as a Roman numerals, so I can just select that from here and just click on OK. Then just click on this option, close header and footer. Now if we scroll, you will see that they have inserted Roman numerals as page numbers, like 1 2 3 4 5 6, that way. Now guys, in my case, I wanna add normal page numbers just after the page 3, like this would be first, second and third. Okay, and from this page it should start from 1 2 3 4 5 6, that way. In order to do that, firstly you need to choose the page from where you want to do that. So this is the page, as I said. So just put your cursor at the start of the page, head over to option layout, choose this option breaks, and here in the section breaks we're gonna choose the option next page. Once you do that, again we need to double click on the page number, then choose the option page number, again click on the option format page numbers. And as I said, I wanna set this as normal page numbers. I'm gonna select them from here. Since I wanna add this page numbering from the start, I'm gonna select the option start at page number 1. Just click on OK, and also make sure that in the header and footer tab, this link to previous option should be enabled. Now once you're sure about this, just click on this option, close header and footer. And now if you look at this, we have 1 2 3 as Roman numerals, and just after that the normal page numbering is starting. And yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you can add different types of page numbers in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.